I didn't see it, I never knew. Turn to the stars for clues. I call the moon.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. In here I review wigs. Okay, that is all I do here. Gorgeous, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So today I will be sharing with you how I will restore this wig. This wig, I gave it to my mom. Okay, my mom is around, so she came with the wig. When I saw the wig, I was like, what is this? You don't wash it. She said she wash it, but she don't know how to care for this wig. So I want to share with you guys how to bring your old wig back to new one. Okay, if your wig is old, how you can bring it back to new one. So guys, just enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
And when the sun's been gone for many years, a miracle is born. Miracle, 너의 중요하다는 words It's for you It's all for you 가만히 있으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야 I'm okay just the way I am I'm okay with what I do 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이 끝이 없는 조언들 너만한 necessity 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데 You know I don't want to know I don't want no more no more I don't want to know Gotta get up now Gotta get up now I don't have to know Gotta get up now Get up, yeah Everybody says 너의 꿈을 찾아 Right here, right now Yeah, yeah, yeah 더디 찾으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야